So now we're going to be checking out a little bit of ZWO. I'm really sad to see, this time around, with the recent passing of Simon Lewis, it's a little bit of a different, feel going on, but it's also very nice that we do have, a nice little memoriam for Simon for his recent passings, and you got a nice little, signed book with your favorite memories. I will be definitely be doing that going forward, but we'll look at some of the, products, see if there's anything new that ZWO is arriving. We have, the Strainway gear mounts, the AM3, great portable mount. I have the older brother version, the AM5. So, looking at the AM3, in person, it's very small. I didn't realize how small of a mount, which is great for portability. And we have the Seestar. I know my wife has been absolutely, loving being able to see it. She was most excited for this more than anything, see the giant blow up. But looking at over here, we got some, user submitted photos. We have some stickers, it looks like. We have a little keychain of the Seestar. We have a little bit of some, other stickers and stuff here. We have some sign up for exclusive deals as they are running a sale right now, 14%. But looking at some of the other products, we got a nice big beefy 130 millimeter refractor sitting on top of the mount here. This is a wonderful, refractors that they do offer, and some of the smart cameras, like with the ZWO ASI 2600 Air. And we have the brand new AM7. So that's definitely, the bigger, beefier Strainway gauge mount that they offer now these days. And then, looking out through here, we'll check out, see what other, new products that they have. We have some also other, photos here. There's also has another sign up for, Simon. We have the first Seestar, the Seestar S50 here, and I know a lot of people have been asking if there's going to be an S50 Pro. Still no word on that as of yet, but we have some more stickers through here. We have the S30 Pro, which was showcased last year. Now having one in person is absolutely amazing. Definitely, if you're thinking about getting a smart scope, I so highly recommend the S30 Pro. Some of the photos that I've had with that is fantastic. I am very, very happy. That 585 sensor really makes a huge difference. We got some more products here. We have some of the planetary cameras, like the 678, which is what I use on my guide camera. Those are the newer versions, 294. We have some upgrading, filter wheels here, which now with the smaller filter wheels, we do have thread, so you can thread it right to the, the back of your OAG. We have the brand new setups for the EF Pro, which has the buttons where you can do manual focus. Also has some of the filters. And then, of course, we have a lot more of the main cameras, like 2600. Love it. My first cooled astronomy camera. Because I have the 5A5, the Pro version, which has been my main. We have the camera angle adjuster, which was a great, thing, especially for small sensors. We're able to, mount our, framing just perfectly, right? But what it looks like, we do have some of the full frame cameras, like the 4400, which is a full frame sensor, is a little bit cheaper than a 6200, about